रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दाए रोशनी उम्मीद है
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Our today's topic is from unit number 4, cells and tissues. That is cell organelles like cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria and ribosomes. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is an aqueous substance. Aqueous mean watery substance containing a variety of cell organelles. Means it contains different cell organelles and other substances such as insoluble waste or storage products. Insoluble means those substances or those products which do not dissolve. It is present between the cell membrane and nuclear membrane. Cytoplasm has two parts, that is soluble part and insoluble part. Soluble part is that part which can dissolve, while insoluble part is that part which do not dissolve. The soluble part is about 70% water and forms a solution which contain all the fundamental biochemicals of life. Biochemicals like lipids, carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. The insoluble part of cytoplasm consists of organelles. Cytoplasm provides chemicals, sites and conditions for various biochemical activities, for various biochemical functions. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a system of membranes found throughout the cell, means in all cells. The membranes form a series of sheets which encloses flattened sacs. Sacs mean thalli, which encloses flattened sac-like structure that is called cisternae. Main function of endoplasmic reticulum is to transport materials, and it has two types. One is SER and second one is RER. SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, is non-granular. Granular mean microscopic texture or microscopic substance. It is non-granular as the ribosomes are attached to its surface. SER plays an important role in lipid formation. Lipid is an oily organic compound which do not dissolve in water and float on its surface. And it also plays an important role in transportation of materials. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, is granular because ribosomes are attached to it. RER is involved in protein synthesis because it has ribosome, and ribosome is specialized for protein synthesis or protein manufacturing. RER function is to transport materials from inside nucleus to cytoplasm and vice versa. It means that it transports material from inside nucleus to cytoplasm and from cytoplasm to nucleus. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is a set of flattened sacs. That flattened sac-like structure are called cisternae, which are stacked together. Stacked mean which are arranged in bundle-like structure. Golgi apparatus is named after its discoverer, Camillo Golgi. Main function of Golgi apparatus is to store the secretions and then to convert them into finished products, into final products, and pack them into small rounded sac-like structure, into small circular sacs-like structure called Golgi vesicles. That rounded sac-like structure are called Golgi vesicles. These sacs are kept in cell, are transported to exterior or to outside in the form of secretions. Dear students, plant cells have large number of stacks, bundle-like structure in their Golgi apparatus. Then, in 1906, due to work of Golgi, Camillo Golgi, he was awarded with Nobel Prize. Mitochondria. In prokaryotes or prokaryotic organisms, that means those organisms that do not have a well-defined nucleus and cell organelles. So in prokaryotes, mitochondria are absent and it is thought and it is considered that energy required is produced in the cytoplasm by anaerobic respiration or by mesosomes. Anaerobic respiration is a respiration which is active in the absence of or which is living in the absence of free oxygen. Mesosomes means mesosomes are in organelles of bacteria that appear as or that look as an invagination of plasma membrane. Invagination means to fold inside. Mitochondria are found in eukaryotic cells or in eukaryotic organisms and they are bounded by double membranes, means mitochondria have two membranes, the outer membrane and the inner membrane. The outer membrane is smooth and the inner membrane is folded inwards and giving rise to extension like a larger surface area which is called cristae. This cristae increase the surface area or it increase the surface area on which the process like respiratory process take place or the process of respiration occurs. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. Why we call mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell? It is because they carry out respiration in cell and produce energy in the form of ATP. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Students, here we have scientific information that the cells which are more active are, for example, liver cells. Liver cells have more than 1000 mitochondria and the cells which are less active are, for example, cells of airlobe that have very small number of mitochondria. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are tiny granules, means small microscopic textures, small microscopic substances. Ribosomes are found in nucleolus. Nucleolus means a small round or circular body of proteins found in cell nucleus and are either freely dispersed, freely spread out in the cytoplasm or attached with RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. A ribosome is made of almost equal amounts of proteins and ribosomal RNA, rRNA. Ribosomes are not bound by membranes, means ribosome haven't membranes, so they are also found in prokaryotes because prokaryotes also haven't a well-defined nucleus, membrane bonded organelles. Eukaryotic ribosomes are slightly larger than prokaryotic ribosomes. The main function of ribosomes are involved in protein synthesis, protein manufacturing, and ribosome consists of two subunits. One unit is larger and second unit is smaller. Ribosome has larger subunit and smaller subunit. Dear students, learn and write first two detailed answers from unit number 4, cells and tissues. That is, differentiate between 2 kingdom system and 5 kingdom system along their advantages and disadvantages. Second one is take one organism and assign it to different ranks according to hierarchy of taxonomy. Stay safe, stay blessed, best of luck, take care and Khuda Hafiz.